Hey everyone, so I know I haven't made a video in a long time. It's been over a year, but now I'm ready to make a new one. So what I'm gonna be doing today is trying to tie-dye a shirt. I tie-dyed before, but this one I'm trying to make like a sunflower design. I saw this thing on Facebook about it, so I went and got a little tie-dye kit. I'll show that. So this has like you can make up to 27 shirts, 18 bottles of color, 60 rubber bands, 6 pairs of gloves. So that should be cool. I got my shirt right here. This is like my crafting towel. So it has a lot of imperfections. Look at my nails. All the nail salons are shut down because of coronavirus. I figured I'd do a craft while I'm staying home. I'm working from home, so there's nothing really to do. So I'm gonna try to do this. So in the tutorial that I watched, they said to fold the shirt in half and get as many as the wrinkles out as you can. I'm gonna try to get them out as much as possible, but I don't want the perfect look because I feel like with tie-dye, imperfection is beauty, and you can't really make mistakes with tie-dye. So I did that. Now I'm getting these out of the kit and the gloves. So stay tuned. All right, so I mixed the colors for the sunflower, and I actually decided to put this into 3 because I'm gonna do some like black right here just for the core of it, and then I'm gonna work my way up until the yellow. So let's begin. Shit, stuff is like running. I'm only putting a little bit of the black. So this is how this part is looking so far. Now I'm about to mix the greens. I really hope that this does turn out like a sunflower, but like I said, if it doesn't, it'll still be cute. And I'm gonna try to save these colors from the kits. I don't know if them already being mixed will affect anything, but I just put it back in the kit, so hopefully not. But I want to have like a tie-dye party this summer. I wish my birthday was in the summer. I would do that for it. So now I'm just gonna scrunch up the rest of the shirt, and then we're gonna add the green. Literally scrunching however I want. In the video, they used brown instead of the black for the core of the sunflower, but this kit did not come with brown, and I didn't want to mix the yellow, so I just was like, whatever, I'll use black. It doesn't matter. There's no rules to this. This side, the majority dark green, and then the next side will be opposite. So the next side will have the majority light green. Both sides will have both colors mixed in. This is looking awesome. I already can't wait to see the results. And I'll probably turn it back over at the end to give more live. So remember with this side I said I'm doing more of the light green just to alternate it. It looks like it's gonna come out good, but you never know. You really never know. So, we'll see. Either way, I'm gonna rock it. You already know. Just put some random spurts of yellow. Then I'm gonna add that black that I talked about. Now this is what it's looking like. Now I wanted the sunflower small. Now I'm kind of regretting not making it bigger, but let's see if it even looks like a sunflower when I wash it out. Keep you guys posted. So here is 3 hours later after I let it sit outside. I'm just rinsing it out. So this is how the shirt turned out. It didn't really have that circle sunflower shape, but it still has the coloring, which I love. I love the pattern on this, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I had a lot of fun making it and making this shirt, and I'll post a picture of me wearing it once it's dry. Thank you. Love you guys.